Hello, my name is Jillian, and I have been contacted by McDonald's executives to help with the marketing aspect of their new business opportunity. McDonald's executives have recently realized the potential for profit opportunities in the states with the legalization of marijuana. This is a new customer base that McDonald's wants to tap into, but need to be careful when doing so. They must be cautious not to offend any of their current customers with young kids or those who do not support the legalization of marijuana. McDonald's mission statement is, McDonald's brand mission is to be our customers' favorite place and way to eat and drink. Our worldwide operations are aligned around a global strategy called Plan to Win, which center on exceptional customer experience, people, products, place, price, and promotion. The new establishments will continue with this mission statement while reaching a new group of potential consumers. We will open small drive-through establishments offering marijuana-infused foods. These establishments will be placed only in those states where recreational marijuana is currently legal. States represented in green currently have legalized recreational marijuana. Red states, marijuana is prohibited. Yellow shows where medical marijuana is legalized. We will focus on the green states in this business venture. McDonald's executives were right in thinking that there is a high profit margin in this market. Alaska showed the lowest profits, still ringing in $39.5 million. California rang in at the high end with $2.75 billion. Because of this, the drive-through restaurants will be established likely in California and Colorado. The products produced will focus on those that can be consumed later. This is meant to prevent the thought that McDonald's is supporting driving under the influence. Products will include brownies, cookies, lollipops, and cakes. The items will be sold at locations separate from current McDonald's. This is done to prevent any concerns of cross-contamination or product mix-ups. We do not want families worried that their child will be served a brownie with pot. Our famous golden arches will be turned green for our marijuana-friendly establishments to indicate the difference in location. Ronald McDonald will not be used in the promotion of these locations to prevent the idea we are marketing to children. We will be focused on those of age who enjoy recreational marijuana. Pricing will need to incorporate the cost of the added ingredient while still maintaining low-cost options with high-quality offerings. To get started, 5 initial locations will be established as test operations, likely in California and Colorado. Through surveys and social media monitoring, we will adjust product wants and needs for the consumer demands. McDonald's executives were correct in pursuing this venture. There is a high possibility for high profits with the high demand of recreational marijuana foods.